So let's do shift and break again, control and break again, see what happens. Maybe that will unconfigure that. Although it's booting off. Hold on a minute, wait a minute. Because that's old. This is probably. So this is install Slack. This is using. Look at that. GNU GRUB ARM Slack 10.0 installer. You're joking. Okay, hang on. Hold on. I didn't expect that to work actually. I'd forgotten what was set up where. Okay, so this is the Slackware installer for Slackware 10.0 with Linux 2.6.14.5 compiled on root Zippo. That was my, okay, yeah, that was my Ionix machine. So this is taking ages. Actually, that kind of looks like it's hung. Actually, there's no flashing cursor, so that's probably not a good sign. Oh no! Okay, no, I'm getting ahead of myself. Whoa, what's that? That looks bad. What is that? Is that kernel panic in slow motion? Yeah, it's like a slow motion kernel panic. Wow, that's quite impressive. Okay, well. Okay, I wasn't expecting that, but I wasn't expecting you to boot either.